because it's not.
Can you change your name to Mr. Al because I don't really understand that.
Okay, yeah, wait. But actually, it's small things. It's okay. Okay, Mr. Control. All right, good
And
afternoon, everyone. I mean, good early evening, everybody.
good evening, Mr.
All right, we're going to learn about pop art in the style of Yayoi Kusama. Kusama is a Japanese girl, Japanese ladies, and then she was becoming so obsessed in dots, and then she becoming so famous nowadays because still she still live, and then she still holding some exhibition outside there in the museum or around the place like in Jakarta, Indonesia, something like that. Okay. Now we're going to watch the movie first, just a while, maybe like 1 or 2 minutes, and then yeah, wait, there is my how to share. Oh, I always forgot this
Oh,
one.
the share content.
Mm-mm.
What's your screen?
All right, this one.
He's old.
Can you hear that?
No, I can't hear.
Can?
It's always so lag. It's laggy. I cannot hear. I cannot hear the voice of what the person is saying in the YouTube.
Known for extensive use of infinity,
How about now?
Fine.
she creates paintings, sculptures, and does performance art. She also
Maybe Mr. Al need to share his computer sound first before share screen.
Sorry?
Maybe you forget to turn on the sharing computer sound
Oh, right.
from sharing. Yeah, it needs to be checked before you share.
Oh, it's already.
Oh, already. Oh, what?
It's already.
Oh, yeah, but they can hear now actually. Yeah, you can hear it, right?
I can hear with my own little ear.
How about now?
Today, we're going to talk and learn about the artist Yayoi Kusama.
Can you hear that?
Kusama was born March 22nd, 1929 in Matsumoto, Japan. She is a Japanese artist who has described herself as an obsessional artist. She is known for her extensive use of polka dots and for her infinity installations. She creates paintings, sculptures, and does performance art. She also does installations in a variety of styles, including pop art and minimalism. Kusama has said that she began painting as a child at about the time she began experiencing hallucinations that often involve.
Oh, look at that one.
Those hallucinations of dots continued to influence her art throughout her career. She had little training and only studied art for a brief time. Her desire to become an artist drove her to move in 1957 to the United States, where she settled in New York City. Her early work in New York City included what she called infinity paintings. These consisted of thousands of tiny marks obsessively repeated across large canvases. Her paintings from that period anticipated the emerging minimalist movement, but her work soon transitioned to pop art and performance art. She began a central figure in the New York avant-garde, and her work was exhibited alongside artists such as Oldenburg and Andy Warhol. Yayoi Kusama has many artworks all over the United States and world today.
All right, this person called Yayoi Kusama or Kusama. Kusama born in Japan, right? In 1929. She's quite old nowadays, and then she becoming so famous now, and then even in Jakarta, they have like Museum Macan. They exhibit the Yayoi Kusama's painting or style, something like that. So, guys, if you came to Jakarta, you can go to Kebon Jeruk, and you will find the Museum Macan there, and then you will find Yayoi Kusama's artwork there. All right, now we're going to learn and to adapt Yayoi Kusama's style into our painting. Ready? Now I'm going to share you my paper now, and we're going to draw. I want you to draw something first. I want you to draw your own self. Yeah, you're going to draw a self-portrait. Okay, you have to analyze your own character. Like you have a very big eyes for evil, and a nice eyebrow, and the prettiest hair like that. Yeah, you just need to draw your own face. We're going to make something like a self-portrait. It doesn't have to be the same with your face. I know it's very hard, but at least we try our best to draw our own face in our paper. Yeah, try.
Should I copy your paper?
Mm-mm. You want what?
Should I copy your paper size or something?
Yeah, I'm using A4 size. Okay, for Mr. R, maybe I'm going to use my face something like this. Okay, it's not really the same like me. And remember, whenever you draw the people face, you have to draw the, what we call it, this on the ear. And Mr. Al face is something like this, right? And then you can draw your own face. It's okay if it is not the same with the reality. If you think I cannot, Mr. I just want to draw your face. Yeah, it's okay. You can just draw me like this, a zigzag line, and then suddenly this is my hair, most likely like this. And then yeah, Mr. I'll have an eyebrow here. Okay, I hope that I am drawing not too fast so that you can follow me. And I do know that you guys actually already know how to draw your own face, yeah, like this. Draw your face. Just imagine that. I think you already know your face, right? Since when you are take shower or you want to what wiping your hair, you will always facing your even your when you're online now you see your own face, right? Now you can draw your own face like this first. Yeah, we're going to adapt the Yayoi Kusama's painting. Okay. If you cannot draw the nose, actually it's easy. How yeah? Just like this. Like that is okay. And then you just draw a mountain like that. Yeah, draw a mountain like that, and then draw the reflection at the bottom. And this is my face, most likely. Okay then, Mr. Al now is wearing some shirt, maybe like this one. Okay, going to combine and adapt Yayoi Kusama's painting style with mosaic with also impressionism. Then we need pencil and some circle things because Yayoi Kusama is obsessed with the circle with the dots. So I want you to find some circle things to yeah. If you don't have any circle thing, it's okay. You can use your own hand. Okay, I'm just using my free hands now to draw circle things, but I think it's not really good. Okay, I'm going to find some circle things first. Wait, where is your circle things? Okay, yes, it's my circle things. Now I'm going to use pencil to draw a circle things. Wait, where is my eraser? Eraser, where are you? Oh, eraser. Oh, this one. Oh,
I'm doing pretty good.
yeah. Now you have to draw uh, circle, circle, circle. Some may be small, some may be big. It's okay. Yeah, this one is a self-portrait with Yayoi Kusama's painting style. Where's Ruth? Yeah, I don't know where is Ruth. What's happening with Ruth? Oh, she's okay? Yeah, you may try to find something circle like this. Okay, I think I'm done with the circle. So now we're trying to paint, yeah? And wait, before you paint, I want you to use your crayons. Use your crayons. Are you in this step now, Ivo? Creating the circle? Or you draw the face first, yeah? You guys need my help to do it one more time, to do it step by step? Or you can draw it by yourself? You know how to draw it, or you need my help to do it again one more time? Ivo or Tia? No need, yeah? You know already, right? How to draw people face? Okay, cool. Yeah, if you think that this one is too fast, you can ask Mr. Al to repeat it again from the beginning. It's okay. I don't want you to get lost later on, and then you just let me know. It's okay. Don't be so shy to say your concern, guys. How is it? Are you on this step now, Alithia? Drawing the circle one? Okay, yes. You can make it big. You can also make it random, like small, big, like that. All right. Now, before you start to draw, to color this one, I want you to combine also with the crayons, yeah? I'm using white, and you can also follow me. White is really cool. Okay, going to a little bit playing with our imaginations. We're not going to copycat the whole idea of Yayoi Kusama. You know what? Mr. R is always support if you have your own idea, yeah? Do not copy paste exactly similar with the original one. You have to modify, be yourself. The rest, the artist is just only your inspiration. But when you trying to work on your paint, try to be authentic. You use your own
Let's
style.
see.
Yes, Ivo?
I had an idea for the circles because it's kind of like the animal heads.
Mm-mm. Okay. Yeah, if you have your idea, just including in your idea, okay? I already draw circle here with my pencil. Later I can erase it if I want it. But I'm going to make it more one level high with the crayons. Okay, I'm going to use my white crayons like this to create circle white, the small one, circle white, circle white here. I will try to find some empty space to draw the circle, the white circle here. Mhm. Okay, like this. And after that, maybe I can draw another things like I combine it with light, mm, light brown. I don't care about the face. I just try to mm, modify it using my style. If Yayoi Kusama is using dot, I'm going to use spiral, yeah, like this. That would be nice. This one's like hole in the universe. That. And then after that, maybe I'm going to use light green to draw what? Circle, maybe? Yeah, since this all
You
the
can draw some squiggly circles.
yeah, that is a good idea. You can use your own idea, Ivo. You know what? Mr. Al is always like the students who have their own ideas. Mr. Al and this painting is only inspiration. The rest you have to modify. Make it with your own style, your own color. Do not copy paste somebody else idea. Okay. If Kusama is obsessed with circle, I even more obsessed than her. I'm going to make it more even merrier than before. Okay, something like this, and then yeah, I will draw another spiral. Okay, now maybe you guys a little bit more confused because so many circle here. I'm going to use my paint for the last one.
You can draw so many circles so that I would express yourself.
Mm-mm. Okay, I think it's done and enough. I put so many circle here. I'm going to color it. Wait, I'm going to get my paintbrush and my paint water. Wait, okay. Okay, this one is my. Oh, this is perfect. I have my own watercolor. What's happened with Ruth here? Where is Ruth? Ruth, where are you, Ruth?
I have no idea what she's doing right
Who's the one who? Oh, okay. Now Mr. Al trying to use dark brown for the face. Okay, I'm going to ask Alithia. Alithia, why that we have to use our own style in everything, in music, in art? Why? We don't? Why we have to develop ourselves?
now. I don't know.
Why that all teachers always encourage you to not cheating? Why?
Uh,
It's okay. Just try to answer. There is no wrong or right. Everything will be just correct.
I don't want to know.
Yeah, in art, especially, why the Mr. Art is always like supporting you to create your own style. It's because I don't want you to be someone else. Okay, Alithia?
Okay.
Are very smart and very special. I want you to just be yourself. I don't want you to follow somebody else because you already good. You're already smart and you already know what. Mm, yeah, you have your own characteristic, and then I want you to be authentic, be yourself, And then if you want to follow people, yeah, it's okay, but only take a little bit, not too much. For example, Evo are very confident. Evo are very smart. Her English are improved a lot. I want to be like Evo in the in terms of becoming be so uh confident. I want to be like Evo. When I talk, I want to be like Evo. Evo are very confident. But the rest, yeah, you can use your own criteria, but don't be like 100% like Evo. No, you cannot because Evo is only one. You cannot be another Evo again. Okay, I'm trying to combine every person here. Yeah, use crayon first, okay, before you use the watercolor, so that the wax effect will make your painting looks uh, more various, more artistic. If you think Mr. R is too fast, please let me know, yeah? Mr. R always like doing everything in the fast mode. Even when I'm it, it only takes like 5 minutes or 10 minutes to eat. And then done. I need to take shower, it's more like 10 minutes or 15 minutes, it will be done. I don't want to delay everything. I want everything to be done at the right time. Like that. Right? As you can see, some of them are having illusional square here, illusional circle. I'm using two colors here so that you will see the space. This picture will having a space later on. You can use any color you want as long as you feel happy with that. Right? Yayoi Kusama, since she was still in the childhood age, still, I mean, when she was still young, she was obsessed with the polka dot things, like circle, circle, circle. That's why now she's becoming one of the famous polka dot artists in the world. She likes to make some polka dot painting or artwork, and she don't want to be someone else. She's so authentic, she's so original. Maybe she gets some idea from some artists, but most likely, in overall, we can see that Yayoi Kusama is really consistent to be a unique artist. Yeah.
Mr. Al,
Hmm.
I have a question.
Yeah.
Um, does every artist paint paint nicely and gently and smoothly and stuff?
Okay. Is it done? The question. Okay. Now, every artist have their own characteristic. Okay. Like you, Ivo, and Mr. R is not always the same. Even though that we are learning the same thing, but at the end of the result, you will see that we are different. You will see later at the end. Yeah.
What can I color for the bunny's ear?
Yeah. Every artist, like every human, have their own characteristic. That's why, even though that you are twin, it's always different later on because we call it characteristic. It means that people are different, people are unique, They have their own way how to express their own idea. That's right. Please be your own self. No need to follow someone else. If you need to be a fan of some artists or celebrities, yes, you can. You can just take them as your inspiration. Do not be like them. Ivo, did you ever heard story about the girl who obsessed to be like someone else, and then suddenly she takes some of surgery, like plastic surgery,
No.
at her face, and then everything becoming so bad, not running okay, and then suddenly now her face becoming like a zombie because it's very scary, you know.
I never heard of the story.
Yeah, maybe later when you grow up you will heard the story. That one is the story of a girl who obsessed to be like someone else. Even though that she's already pretty, I think. She's already having a good clear face.
What was that noise?
Oh, that's from my phone. Sorry.
Why didn't you just silence it at the very beginning so it doesn't interrupt the class?
Alright. I'm going to silence it. Okay, Ivo, you can modify your own painting. It doesn't have to be the same like Mr. R.
Oh, this one looks cute. Nothing too fancy here.
All right, like this. I think that I'm done now. Okay.
That's unusual.
What?
It's never been this quiet.
Actually, I want Alithia to speak something. Tell your story, Alithia, please. I want you to increase your English also.
Hmm?
Yeah, you can start talking about your friend maybe. Do you have any friend at home at school?
She has a friend which is me and Ruth, and she also has a girl named Giovanna. Sometimes she's me and sometimes she's nice at the same time.
No, are you guys in the same school?
Huh?
Are you guys in the same school?
No, me and Giovanna are in the same school.
Hmm. How about Ivo?
I'm still in first grade because I'm almost at second grade.
No.
All right. Yeah. Aside of your hobby in art, are you like music also?
Kindergarten.
I'm still kindergarten.
Are
I'm
you
going
like
to be first grade. Wow.
are you like music also? Yeah.
Hmm?
You like music?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. What style that you like? I mean, what kind of music?
I have a lot.
Which one that you think that you will your most favorite one? K-pop or what?
It's mostly K-pop.
Or mostly K-pop. Who is your favorite artist?
Oh, Blackpink.
Huh? You don't have any favorite artist?
My favorite artist is Blackpink.
Oh,
I
Blackpink.
also know Blackpink.
Okay, I'm asking this question. It doesn't mean that you have to stop. No, your hand is still working, but in the other hand, your mouth is talking. It's okay, but don't stop working. Yeah, I just want to test your English. Is it still the same or is there any increasing the working as well? Right, I think I'm done. Okay. So, if Yayoi Kusama how to say it? Obsessed of polka dot or circle, I even more obsessed than her. She has my painting full of polka dot.
Well, my dress don't really have polka dots. They have stripes.
Is it?
As you can see,
Yeah. Okay.
pretty cool.
Okay.
I like the
Yeah. You like to? Are you joining the ballerinas dancing course, something like that? Ivo, you join the dancing course also?
mm-hmm.
Oh. Oh, how many what do you call it? How many activities that you have? You have a lot. Yes.
I have a lot. Sometimes the teacher keeps on adding more and more and more and more and more until it's full, and it's adding more.
What do you think
Never
adding?
know.
What do you mean by adding more and more? The teacher keeps asking you something or keep
They ask little and much questions to all the students so they can answer.
Mm. Okay, how about Alithia? Alithia, do you have another course aside of a painting or drawing club like this? Are you joining another lecture, maybe singing or dancing club? Yeah.
I have like another class. It's called coding.
What is that?
Like it's like creating something,
Mhm. And then
and then and then and then you like make a game or something.
I think there is something above your head. What is that?
Huh?
A circle thingy. Is that the
Oh,
oh,
it's a video filter.
you look like an angel flying on the sky.
That's because she's using the thing, the
Mm-mm.
video filter. Mm-hmm. And I don't even know how to do it. It's like next to the background.
Oh, we have to install first, right? Install our laptop with a program like that.
No.
No.
Is it one of the share contact thing? I only see a lot of buttons and I have no idea what they do.
Oh, you have the same theme, yeah? You just like above the sky. You
This.
guys are flying.
Oh my.
Oh, what's happened?
What?
What's happened, people?
Oh my. That, 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 that. I cannot even say a word anymore.
What's wrong?
It was like I pressed the button and then I was like shocked.
What's wrong? The effect is not really nice, or
It's like when I pressed it, it's like a white screen showed up and then I closed it already.
oh yeah. Okay, I may try the
Okay, I think I am done. It looks not what I expected. It looks like it looks like not what I expected. Doesn't look. It's not what I expected. This is not. This is not easy. This is not easy. Oh, that's funny. Why is there some white drip or whatever that is? Why is there a white drip on the paper?
what is
It's
that?
a white screen and it's colorful. It's a white screen and it's colorful. It's a white screen and it's colorful.
What is that?
I I have no idea. It's just nonsense.
Are you ready to present, Ivo?
No.
Okay, after this, I'm going to teach you something special, guys. Please stay just a while. Maybe like you will
I'm done. I need some space.
for what?